So the igniter was 94 ohms. The new one on the box was 64 ohms. So seems pretty close to me. So what I'm doing now is looking at how many volts get put to the igniter. So I got it on volts AC. Should try to turn on here when the board decides. It should put 110 volts to the igniter. But that only happens once this pressure switch is made. Like, it's got to make the pressure switch, and then it turns on. That pressure switch is a function of the pressure on that. So now I'm like, looks like it's not trying to turn on the igniter. Should have done it by now.